Introduction of Captain Billy's Whiz Bang, Volume 1, Number 11, August 1920. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Larry Wilson. Captain Billy's Whiz Bang, Volume 1, Number 11, August 1920, by W. H. Fawcett. Announcement. Whiz Bang Yearbook. With the October issue, Captain Billy's Whiz Bang will start on its second year. In celebration of the event, the editor will dish out to the readers his choicest morsels from the first 12 issues. Since the inception of this little journal of uplift, the circulation has increased so rapidly that it has been difficult at times to keep up with the procession. With a view to giving the thousands of new readers the best poems, jokes, and stories from the previous 12 issues, the first annual Whiz Bang Yearbook will make its appearance in the form of the October number. There will be plenty of new material also mixed in with the cream of the first 12 copies. The Editor. Our motto: make it snappy. We have room for but one sole loyalty, and that is loyalty to the American people. Theodore Roosevelt. Edited by a Spanish and World War veteran and dedicated to the fighting forces of the United States, past, present, and future. End of introduction.